Hello friend, in this video you are about to learn LED board animation. So let's start this tutorial. Press Shift A, under mesh, select cube. Switch to edit mode. Now press S, then X and scale on X axis. Again press S, then Z to scale on Z axis so that it looks like LED board. Now press Ctrl R, give a loop cuts. Use scroll button to increase loop cuts. Now press S, then X to scale on X axis. Again press Ctrl R, give a loop cut like this. Now press S, then Z to scale on Z axis. Turn on face selection mode. Click on this face. Holding Ctrl, click here. Then click here and click here. Now press E, then Y to extrude on Y axis. Switch to object mode. Now click on this modifier properties. Then click on this add modifier and select here remesh modifier. Select here sharp. Uncheck this remove disconnected. Change octree depth value, that is 7. Now click on this arrow. Click on this apply. Now switch to edit mode again. Now maximize this window. Then select like this. Press Ctrl minus. Then press Ctrl I for inverse selection. Then press H to hide selected faces. Now click on this. Then holding Shift click on this. Then press Shift Ctrl plus to select like this. Again holding Shift click on this face. Holding Shift click on this face. Then press Shift Ctrl plus to select like this. And we have to repeat this process again and again. Now press E, then Y to extrude on Y axis like this. Now press Ctrl plus to increase selection. Press Ctrl space bar. Then click on this material properties. Then click on this plus icon. Then click on this new. Rename this material. Give its name, that is LED. Now click on this assign. Click on this plus icon. Again click on this new. Press Ctrl I for inverse selection and click on this assign. Change its name. Double click on this material and give its name, that is background color. Now press Alt H to unhide selected faces. Then click on this plus icon. Then click on this new and rename it, that is border. Then click on this assign. Now switch to object mode. Then click on this shading workspace. Click on this arrow and decrease world opacity like this. Click on this material properties. Select here LED color. Now change its color like this. Also increase this transmission value so it's look like glass. Decrease its roughness value like this. Now select this principal BSDF node. Then press Shift D to duplicate. Now select here LED color whatever you want. Change its emission strength value as per your needs. Now press Shift A and select here mix shader. Now we have to open text image. Make sure this image should be in black and white color. So I just open it. Now holding Shift Control then click on this. You can see that everything is black. So first we have to add mapping node. Connect this vector with this vector. Press Shift A, search your textures coordinate node. Connect this UV with this vector. Now switch to UV editing workspace. Then press A to select all the faces. Now click on this arrow. Then select this image. Click on this UV and select here project from view and bonds. Now maximize this window and we have to adjust from here. Now press as then X to scale on X axis, something like this. Then press as then Y to scale on Y axis like this. Switch to shading workspace and you can see here properly. Now click on this render properties, enable here bloom option. Expand this color management option and under this look select here very high contrast and also select here standard. Now connect this principal BSDF node with this shader. Also connect this principal BSDF node with this shader. Connect this shader point with this surface and we have to connect this image with this factor. Delete this. Now switch to render preview mode and we can see this. Now split window like this. Then change this window into timeline. Make sure you are at first keyframe. Then change X location value, that is 0. Then right click and select here insert single keyframe. Then jump to last keyframe. Change location value, that is 5. Then right click and select here insert single keyframe. Keep mouse cursor here. Then press T and select here linear. Now press spacebar. You can see this animation. For this lighting, click on this world properties and you have to load HDRI image. So click on this environment, then click on this open, select your HDRI image, then click on this open image. Decrease its strength value, something like this. Now you can change background color from here, whatever you want. Also you can change border color. So select here and increase metallic value, decrease roughness value, something like this. And for background, click on this render properties, then expand this film option and check here transparent. Now you have this type of animation. You can anytime adjust its image size. So for this, click on this material properties, then select here LED. You have to play with this scale value if you want to change image size, and you can also play with this Y location value. Now press Shift A and add a camera, then press Ctrl Alt 0 to snap with this viewport. Then click on this output properties, select here path, then change its format into FFmpeg video. Expand this encoding option and select here high quality. Then click on this render and select here render animation. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.